How to clean shrimp or prawn.
Do you know that proper cleaning of shrimp or prawn will be more pleasant to eat when the intestinal tract is removed? You may notice the sharp point on prawns or shrimp head is called the rostrum, and another pointed on the tail called a telson. The intestinal tract of shrimp that filled with grit is what I'm going to show in this video. This black thread coming out of shrimp back is the grit or prawn's poop. Now we are done cleaning the grits. Next is we are going to cut the rostrum to avoid hurting our hands or get sting. In here, we are going to use scissors to cut the rostrum in the shrimp's mouth. The rostrum is quite sharp and pointed to be reminded that we have to be careful not to get sting. Let's start cutting everything. Thank you for watching. Hope to see you on my next videos.